Want to start speaking French? Today we're learning 20 essential French words that every beginner needs to know. These are the most useful words you'll use every day in French. Let's begin. Word number 1, Bonjour. This is how you say hello in French. It's the most important word to know. Hello, how are you? Bonjour, comment allez-vous? Bonjour, comment allez-vous? Word number 2, Merci. This means thank you in French. Always be polite. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Word number 3, s'il vous plaît. This means please, essential for polite requests. 1 coffee, please. Un café, s'il vous plaît. Un café, s'il vous plaît. Word number 4, oui. This is how you say yes in French. Very simple. Yes, of course. Oui, bien sûr. Oui, bien sûr. Word number 5, non. This means no. Sometimes you need to say no. No, thank you. Non. Merci. Non. Merci. Word number 6, pardon. Use this to say excuse me or sorry in French. Excuse me, I don't understand. Pardon, je ne comprends pas. Pardon, je ne comprends pas. Word number 7, au revoir. This is how you say goodbye in French. Classic. Goodbye, see you soon. Au revoir, à bientôt. Au revoir, à bientôt. Word number 8, bonsoir. This means good evening in French. Use it after 6 p.m. Good evening, how are you? Bonsoir, comment allez-vous? Bonsoir, comment allez-vous? Word number 9, eau. This means water. Very important word for survival. I would like some water, please. Je voudrais de l'eau, s'il vous plaît. Je voudrais de l'eau, s'il vous plaît. Word number 10, pain. This means bread in French. France is famous for bread. I would like some bread. Je voudrais du pain. Je voudrais du pain. Word number 11, café. This means coffee, pronounced just like in English. 1 coffee, please. Un café, s'il vous plaît. Un café, s'il vous plaît. Word number 12, vin. This means wine. Very French. A glass of wine, please. Un verre de vin, s'il vous plaît. Un verre de vin, s'il vous plaît. Word number 13, toilette. This means bathroom or restroom. Very important to know. Where is the bathroom? Où sont les toilettes? Où sont les toilettes? Word number 14, argent. This means money in French, essential for shopping. How much money does this cost? Combien d'argent ça coûte? Combien d'argent ça coûte? Word number 15, temps. This means time or weather. Very useful word. What time is it? Quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? Word number 16, beau. This means good. Use it for everything positive. This is very good. C'est très bon. C'est très bon. Word number 17, mauvais. This means bad. This weather is bad. Ce temps est mauvais. Ce temps est mauvais. Word number 18. Ami. This means friend in French. Important for relationships. He is my friend. C'est mon ami. C'est mon ami. Word number 19. Amour. This means love. Very romantic. I love Paris. J'aime Paris. J'aime Paris. Word number 20. Bonne nuit. This means good night. Perfect for ending your day. Good night. Sleep well. Bonne nuit. Dormez bien. Bonne nuit. Dormez bien. There you have it. 20 essential French words to start your French journey. Practice these every day and you'll build a strong foundation. Which word will you practice first? Comment below. Subscribe for more French lessons. Merci beaucoup for watching.